this stuff, y'all. If you like vanilla cake, if you like the smell of sweets, if you like frosting. Hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shelby, aka Simply Shelby. Welcome back, or if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name's Shelby. Today we got another exciting video. I feel like every video is exciting, but this one especially is super exciting because it's my first PR package. Yay! So Fanola saw my video from like a year and a half ago, one of my first videos ever, trying their blue shampoo versus purple shampoo, and that video has been my best video to date, which is like kind of crazy to me because it's like kind of all over the place, which I'll link down below if you're curious. But yeah, that was my one of my first videos, and Fanola saw that and they reached out and they want to send me a little box of goodies. So I'm super thankful and super excited to try out all of these products. Some of them I have tried, some of them I haven't, but I'm so thankful to Fanola, which if you don't know who Fanola is, they are an Italian hair company. They make great hair products. It's used in a lot of salons, like professionally and things like that. So it's such a great like hair care brand. So, you know, if you're in the market for some good hair care goodies, I would definitely recommend Fanola. But yeah, today I'm just gonna be doing a little PR unboxing, and I feel like I enjoy watching these PR unboxings on YouTube. So if you're the type who likes to watch some PR unboxing, this is the video for you. I would love it if you stick around. Please subscribe to my channel if you would like. Join my Shell Squad. It would mean so much to me. Give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling my vibe, and turn on the post notification bell. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I know this video is on hair, and my hair is just all over the place today. It is, I put this clip back here and she's not staying in. So anyways, we're just gonna make do with what we got. So here's the box. I'm gonna open it, and if you follow me on Instagram, you might have saw me post a little picture of the box a few weeks ago. So that's really exciting. But here it is. They put my little picture here, and one product kind of like spilled a little bit, don't mind that. But yeah, they put my little picture here from Instagram on a little Polaroid. How cute is that? And then they sent me a little card that says, "Hi Shelby, I'm so excited for you to try Fanola. I hope you love all your new hair care goodies. Love, Tina," who was the one who reached out to me on Instagram. So this is from them. Thank you so much, Tina. It honestly means so much to me. Like I really do love the brand, and I'm just so happy to try everything. So I got a few goodies here. I'm just gonna go through them really quick and share. So we got the No Orange Shampoo, which like, y'all know the No Orange Shampoo. She's a stan on my channel. I've been using the No Orange Shampoo for a while. I just recently did a video on that, which was coincidental because they reached out to me about this, and I was like, huh, I was already gonna do a video, so how fun. And then they also sent me this Purify shampoo, which is for like, I think dandruff and things like that, or dry scalp. This Purify shampoo, and I'll link everything down below if you're interested in trying any of it out. Fanola is great. Some of these products I have tried, some I haven't. I've never tried this one, which I'm really excited because in the winter, like here where I live, it's winter time, and my hair gets so itchy and just like dry, and it's just not fun at all. We have the Fanola NUTRI CARE Conditioner. This stuff, y'all. If you like vanilla cake, if you like the smell of sweets, if you like frosting, this is the conditioner you need. Like the first time I ever smelled this, I was like, it smells like fresh baked vanilla icing cake. Like it smells so good. My hairstylist used this on me, so I bought it after, and this stuff smells so good. Like, and it works good too. Like it makes your hair soft, but like if you're into smells, if you're into fragrances with your hair care and you want to smell good, this right here, it smells really good. Like I stand. And then we have the Oral Therapy Illuminating Restructuring Bi-Phase Conditioner with keratin and argan. So I think this is like kind of like a hair spray serum type of deal. I'll have to play around with it and see what it does. But yeah, this is another product that they sent me. So this is exciting. I've never tried this, so I'm really excited to try this because, you know, trying to get my hair the best care that it needs, which I know it's looking a little crazy right now. And then the next product we have is the NUTRI CARE Cristalli Liquidi. Oh, I'm trying to read it in Italian.
Girl, stop embarrassing yourself.
Sorry, anyone who is Italian. I'm probably pronouncing these very wrong, but Restructuring Fluid Crystals. So this is the NUTRI CARE. It's like a serum, which I'm really excited to try this because I feel like I haven't found a good hair serum yet for my hair. Like I'm trying to grow my hair out. I'm probably gonna color it in a few months, but trying to grow my hair out, so any serum that's gonna help me, and this bottle's nice and glass, little moment right there. But yeah, it's nice in like glass bottles. So this, I'm really excited to try this. I feel like I've seen this online before, but I haven't tried it out. And then for this big guy right here, we got the NUTRI CARE Fanola Restructuring Mask, which it smells like the conditioner. Let's open it up. I wish you could do like a scratch and sniff on the screen so you guys could smell this, but like, again, it smells like the vanilla icing. Like, so good. And it kind of like leaked a little bit, but you know, things happen. But yeah, this is the mask. So I'm really excited to use this. I'll probably try to use this like once a week. I try to only wash my hair like once a week nowadays, like with quarantine and things like that. Like, I feel like I don't have to see as many people. The only people that I see is like y'all on YouTube. So, you know, my hair, it's either down if I washed it recently or up if I haven't. So there's my little secret. But yeah, this is the NUTRI CARE Restructuring Mask. So I'm really excited to try this because I know the conditioner works. So this mask is bound to work, and I'm so excited, and it smells just as great as the conditioner. So yeah, that was my little box of goodies right here. So excited, so thankful. I cannot wait to try all of these products out. I will link everything down below, not affiliated, not sponsored, but if you want to try any of the products, I'll link them down below for you to try. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this little PR unboxing. I'm so excited because it was my first little PR box, so I'm just super excited, so thankful. That was the box. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would love it if you give it a thumbs up if you're feeling my vibe. Turn on post notification bells if you want to see my face again, and subscribe to my channel if you would like. It would mean so much to me if you join my show squad, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Stay safe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.